So something.
And Rashi's got the award for Prime Minister in Canada.
So today morning was very special because we started cleanup. We started the cleanup at 6:30 in the morning, and there was a high tide at around 8:39. So before you all came up, it was 80% clean. And so they were like around 3.5 ton already. 550 week is all about, which started by Asif Bhai, continued by Seher.
When we do 100 week or 50 week, we do like a big thing like this. Otherwise, our volunteers keep doing. They do the actual cleaning, but you see, you got to make a statement of it. In fact, when celebrities come, for us attention divert also because everybody is interested in them. But the real activism is when students, when they actually do it at the ground level. Seher is leading it, Miraj is leading. So when they do that, then there is no disturbance actually. I wouldn't say disturbance, but with you all coming, the Mrs. Shinde is here, Rashi you're here, Vedang you're here. So with you all coming, what happens is the reach increases because the media of course catches on, covering images like that.
So something. Yes, perfect. Thank you. Vedang bhai. Vedang. Vedang bhai.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I have one request.
Oh, Miraj bhai. Miraj bhai. रोहित त्या जा
Okay, so we want to say on the count of 3, tick plastic. Tick plastic.
Oh, Miraj bhai.
That's the motto of the campaign.
साथ में बुलाओ ना.
Catchphrase. So on the count of 3, everyone going to
अच्छा चलेगा, वायरल हो जाएगा.
उस तरफ चले जाओ ना. ओ दादा, शहर. भाई उस तरफ जाओ. हेमंत हुआ हवा हो
ये ऐसा और बास्केट पकाइए ना.
कमिलाओ ला स्वामी. हाँ कमिलाओ लाओ.
मैडम थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए.
ए हेमंत और बाजू में दो ना फोटो. सर
हेल्प करो.
मैम अरे मोबाइल थोड़ा पीछे रखिए ना आप लोग.
नो फाउंडेशन से
छोड़ दिया क्या करूँ उसका आ रहा है मेरे पे. जूम है ना उसके अंदर मिलेगा यहाँ से. एक और कपड़ा लाओ. आ रहा
एक और ही मंगाना ना.
इधर की छोड़ो.
आप मंगा लीजिए.
हाँ
एक और ही है.
ला अरे दादा तुम साइड में आओ ना. अरे भैया थोड़ा पीछे जाओ. बॉस
Yeah,
we should, right? उसका मट्टी निकालो. ओके. दादा बैठ गया.
I think there's
Yeah, there's more kachra this side.
पानी आ गया.
यार पीछे आओ. पीछे जाओ.
I think Seher would give a little more information because today Seher is launching. I wouldn't say this launching, but yes, Seher, your thoughts for Vedang getting as a youth ambassador for World Environment 2025.
I think Vedang should be on time next time onwards. So because we all are here for 5 a.m. and we've been cleaning. That's why you can walk on sand and not on kachra. Second, and yeah, so you are going to be working with us throughout your various campaigns in your schools or physically also. And we will be doing a lot of cleanup, a lot of drives on waste management, a lot of creating awareness on circular economy. So yeah, and Vedang is the youth ambassador because our generation needs to be more.
Goa to Bangalore to Kerala and Mumbai. Seher and all of our team been working hard. And yes, World Environment Day as we approaching, the theme is the Tick Tick Plastic, that is beat plastic pollution, ending plastic pollution. You being the youth face, the face who's going to be representing about the World Environment Day, representing the United Nations, and your thoughts. And I think all students have been waiting for you to hear your thoughts on environment apart from you being a superstar upcoming, and you are right now.
I'm no superstar, but hello everyone. It's a great honor to be here today with the Bhavna Foundation, with Seher, and working for this amazing cause. I'm hearing Methi River is one of the dirtiest rivers in all of India, or not even all of it, globally, and we're doing something.
A lot for making me the wellness ambassador. It means the world to me. I think I take environment as a special cause in my heart, and I'm just so glad to be doing this with you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
In fact, our pleasure that a celebrity like Rashi Khanna, actually you're a family of the Bamla Foundation, and we're going to make
3, 2, 1. Let's tick plastic. Let's tick plastic. Let's tick plastic. चला आराम से चला भाई तू.
करता हूँ. देखिए, जब सब धर्म जाति के लोग, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हो या वो एक पुलिस ऑफिसर जो मेरे सामने खड़ा है, वो हर कोई जब एक साथ मिलकर के एक अभियान की तरफ अपना हाथ बढ़ाता है, तो धरती की सेवा करने के लिए सब जब एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आते हैं, तब ये अच्छा कार्य होता है. जैसे हमने 550 वीक कंप्लीट किया है, और आज इसका बहुत बड़ा कंप्लीशन है.
Minar, come. All of you guys come take a picture fast. What is Whitey shot?
But what is happening? You should say no. Hi girls.
Take a picture.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you all? Good morning. Come, everyone be seen. The taller boys just sit down, no? Like, are in front.
Or D.Y. Patil, quickly.
They are very tall. They are still covering.
Look center.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cameraman in house.
भाई थोड़ा हटे. अरे भाई मालूम है साथ
ओ भाई थोड़ा ये बाजू आ जाओ सब. पराग जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
There is a hydration station also from Bistari, the hydration partner for this marathon. Along with Bistari, along with Mr. Swami and Janalai.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Do you have your digital team and all?
Yeah.
They're all there. Come.
कैसे हो तुम लोग?
दिलीप को याद कर रहे हैं.
चलो सब लोग साफ करेंगे.
सब